Do you want to know how you can go offline on your Upwork account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can switch yourself to offline mode on your Upwork account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and go to upwork.com or search for upwork.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, what you need to do is click on your profile, which is on the top right hand side, and you can see online for messages option. If you click on this option over here, it will be turned off. So guys, let me teach it to you once again. Open upwork.com on your Chrome or Edge browser. Make sure you are logged in. Click on your profile, which is on the top right hand side of your screen, and click on this button, which will enable this option where you can be offline and people will not see you online. So this was a video on how you can go offline on your Upwork account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.